Although a product's name and appearance and specifications may not change much over the years, a constant stream of improvements is made during its lifetime. Unless you ask, you don't generally hear about such improvements. But because of them, the experience, the cost of using that product some months after its launch can differ enormously from that of using it at day one. So here's my advice. Unless you absolutely must or can easily afford it, don't specify new products as soon as they're announced or released. Hang back a little bit and give them time to bed down in the market. Let somebody else have the teething problems to resolve and do all of that before you go and buy one. Of course, you might have a compelling reason to buy the latest and greatest, one that's essential to support your application, and the one that isn't available anywhere else, and in which case you don't have much of a choice. However, if that's not the case, then why be an unpaid product tester, especially if your finances are up against it, or if you've got a small network team, or especially if you have a mission critical network. Perhaps let the bigger companies out there discover all the bugs and fixes needed. Let them bear the costs, because that cost, although hidden, could be significant in all aspects of your business. Time is the most valuable commodity there is. Not enough hours in the day. Where have I heard that before? Since time is expensive, let's be on our toes trying to avoid wasting any of it. So don't jump on the wrong bandwagon that could cost you time and money specifying an unproven network unless you're really sure.